Hi, I will be doing the soundtrack for The Cat in the Hat Comes Back, written by Dr. Seuss. I'm going to start at page 24. "But your dad will not know about that," said the cat. "He will never find out," laughed the Cat in the Hat. "Ha ha ha! His $10 shoes will have no spots at all. I'll rub them right off on this rug in the hall." Whoosh! "Now we have rug spots," I yelled. "What a day! Rug spots, what's next? Can you take them away?" "Don't ask me," he laughed. "Ha ha ha! Why, you know that I can." Then he picked up the rug and away the cat ran. "I can clean up these rug spots before you count 3. No spots are too hard for the cat like me." He ran in Dad's bedroom. And then the cat said, "It's good that your dad has the right kind of bed." Then he shook the rug. Shoo, shoo. Crack! Now the bed had the spot, and all that I said was, "Now what, cat? Now what?" Thank you.